everybody, it's Tanya with scrappychicks.com and your creative partner with Kiwi Lane. Today I bring you another project share and a tutorial. This is a quick one. It won't take long to show you this. So I made these cute pumpkin embellishments, and I'm just going to show you how I made these. I did a tutorial, and I'll link it below on how to do the paper bows. So that way you could go ahead and see. You could go ahead and have some of these paper bows already made if you choose to make some of these pumpkin embellishments. So I'll also share with you what this is and where it came from. This is Celebrate Autumn, and this is a piece of burlap that I just cut a square of burlap paper. This is one with the pickup truck. The paper came from the Hello Fall Echo Park line, paper line. This one. So this is the kit from Echo Park. I got it at Tuesday morning. So this is the paper that's in that kit. And of course, it always comes with the sentiment cards and sticker sheets. So this is what I'm using in these. Here's another one. These are simple, easy. These are great to add to scrapbooking layouts. If your bow's not too puffy, you can add it to a scrapbooking layout, to a card. This one has a mushroom. This one says Hello Fall with a bow and a button and the burlap as well. So we're going to make one or two of these. So let me put these to the side. But these are great to add to cards, scrapbooking layouts, gift bags. So the two templates I used was Holiday 4T, which is the smaller pumpkin. I've already cut this out and inked the edges because I don't think I really need to show you how to do that. That's kind of self-explanatory. And then I used Haunted 5, which is new this year. This is in the Haunted template set, excuse me. So I just turned him over. It really doesn't matter which way you want to trace him. So I just traced him and didn't cut out his eyes and mouth, of course, because I just wanted the pumpkin. Okay. So let's make a big one and a small one together. So I've already traced it and inked it and cut it out to save time because I don't like long videos. I like short, quick, easy videos. I don't mind watching long videos. I just don't like to make long videos. Okay. So, first thing, I've already pre-made bows. I'll link the tutorial below that shows you how I do these. These are really quick and easy. So, I'm going to hot glue this bow on. You can use glitter glue if you'd like. I like hot glue, and this is a low heat glue gun, not a high heat. I personally do not feel that you need high heat on paper crafts, depending on what kind of paper craft you're doing. Something small like this, super easy. You don't need high heat glue. All right, so let's go ahead and glue this one on. These are really fast and easy to make. And they're great just to kind of make ahead of time and have them in your stash. And see, look, you could even layer this. Oh, that would be pretty. You could layer this on a scrapbooking layout. And I did ink the edges. So I took my ink. It's Memento ink, but I have ink. It's rich cocoa. That's the color of the ink. So I inked the edges to give it a little more dimension, but you could actually put this on a scrapbooking layout and that would be so pretty. I may go back and do that. Okay, so these little strips, I told you I was going to explain what these are. I did in my previous video. So these come from Echo Park. Always has that tagline, or they always have this piece at the bottom of their paper. It gives you a little glimpse of what the piece of paper is. So that's where these pieces came from. You cut these pieces off and save them as sentiments that you can use on your embellishments. So fall is in the air, hello fall. this one says Celebrate Autumn, so I saved these because that's also what I made my paper bows out of. So I'm very frugal, and I'm big on using what you have on hand. So I use every inch of the paper to the best of my ability. So like this Celebrate Fall, well, that's where that came from, was the end pieces of the paper. And I, for the life of me, cannot remember what those, I know they have a proper name, but I don't know what, I cannot remember what they are called at the moment. Okay, so what do we want to add? I think we'll just throw some stickers on here. I like this because it has that teal color. So let's do this. Let's fishtail this. So we're going to fishtail this one. I hope there's not a glare. The sun's coming through my window in my scrap room. And we're going to ink the edges just to give it a little more definition. Really easy. I'll ink the edges. Okay, and then we'll just do Celebrate Autumn for this one. So I'll move the others to the side. And we're just going to fishtail one side of this one because there's not, if you fishtail the other side, you're going to go into the little leaf and the fox, and I like those elements. So I don't want to lose those. So we're just going to ink those edges. Okay. All right. So now we have those inked. And I am going to use my bone folder just to curl it and manipulate this a little bit to kind of make it look, and use my fingers to make it look like it's actually waving, like it's a banner waving. And you can bend it and fold it, and I love the way that looks. And I'm just going to do a little dab of hot glue on the ends and attach it. It's a very simple pumpkin, but it's very pretty. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to take my bone folder and just crease the ends, but then I'm going to take my fingers and just manipulate it a little bit. And then hot glue this on there. Very simple, but very pretty. And then we have simple pumpkins. Then if you want to go back and add a sticker embellishment, you can. I don't think these need it. I like how these look. I'm going to hold them up so you can see. It's very simple, very easy. And then if you want to go back, you can add, like these I had burlap paper. And I just frayed the edges and I made it look like a little patch. And I hot glued that on. I may go back and add those. I'm going to have to find my burlap paper stash again. So, quick and easy. Simple embellishment. You can use this on a card, scrapbooking layout. You can send it as a gift. If you're sending embellishments to other crafters, you can package these in a pretty package with a bag topper. And that's not staying down. Let me put a little bit of glue. There we go. Now it'll stay. So the options are endless. You can add these to a tag. So you may see these in my future Thanksgiving scrapbooking layouts. You may see some of these. And then when you do see these, you're going to be like, oh, I know. I saw that tutorial where she made these. Yes, so I think I will do a scrapbooking layout and use these on there. Oh, a pumpkin patch layout. That would be adorable. Doing these on a pumpkin patch layout. So, yeah, that'll be coming. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe. Check me out on my links below. I'll leave the templates and everything below. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.